god, you guys, I'm so mad. I'm on my way to work right now and I forgot my mother shoes. I'm over here walking to work with sandals on. Now I gotta go and find a place where I can buy some flats, some cheap flats, because I'm not gonna be buying some expensive ass just to go to work. Look at what I'm wearing. Look at what I'm wearing. Are you serious? Some Tory Burch sandals to work? Come on. Get your life together. You see, this is how you know I'm just not meant to work an hourly job. Like, I'm not prepared. Bitch, I just dropped $130 for a pair of flats. Oh my god. So, I made it to work. I got my flats. Paid $136 for them. I don't mind paying $136 for some heels, but for some flats. Got my flats here. I'm gonna change to my uniform. I'm talking very low because I don't want anyone to hear me. These walls are very thin. Come on, presentation. Look how cute is this. So let me see what's the return policy. I'm ready to go. I was so hungry, I forgot to show y'all the tacos. You guys, so I'm here. I'm walking mad fast because I don't know why. I'm here in Bushwick. Yes, Bronx girl in Bushwick. I'm here with my two friends, Rama and Bex. And Bex is gonna teach us how to skateboard. So I'm just getting my tripod and my camera so we can record.
the shot. This is the thumbnail shot.
Yeah.
With your friend, you ain't even a man lying on you. You know that got me a bag full of brick. You know that control slow the pace if I throw back. Caught tripping with your friend, you ain't even a man lying on you. You know that got me a bag full of brick. You know that control slow the pace if I throw back. All this as for real drama. You feel fantasy.
That's probably your drink. You ordered drinks? Oh yeah, I did order drinks. Hell yeah.
I ordered a quesadilla and hard tacos.
Okay, we know which is which.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, yours has extra cheese on it.
Mine does?
Yeah. So which one? No, extra chicken.
Yeah.
Fuck. They don't have a...
You'll have to pick what color board to get to now.
Hey you guys, so I'm about to go and pick up my boyfriend. I didn't fall asleep this time. We have a nice big, not even clip, can't even consider this a clip, half of a blunt to smoke to while we drive back home. And yeah, I'm just gonna pick him up. Whoop. Bitch, I'm over here trying to fucking record and drive. We're gonna pick up my Prada bag. Look at the hats. Look at the hats.
Wasn't this a style?
This is so cute. Yeah, it is. Yep. These are so bomb.
It's a great bag.
I know, I'm
We
obsessed
almost
with
like,
it.
I think we don't have anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's great because of the leather strap makes it so much more elegant and nice looking.
Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Anytime.
Have a nice day.
You too.
It's so cute.
Let me take a picture of you with your product.
Shit, I was trying to contain myself. Look how pretty my baby. I got a PS5 for my motherfucking birthday. Thank you. Don't be shy now. You was talking all that shit when we was cleaning our room. I'm not showing your face.